trying to draw a line down the middle of this so I can get the center line. That's right about, let's see, that's ½ inch. That's a ½ inch, and so it's right there. Damn it. That's the center. Thank goodness for mill scale. Now. How now, brown cow? Get this out of here. A big ruler. And what I'm going to do is notch a line right down the middle here. Oh, Christ. Great. There's a line on it. Now, I know where the middle is. I know where I'm going to sink this. And now I got to figure out where to put a hole in here. So this is 10 inches. I'm guessing 3½ inches. Come on, Christ. Maybe 3¼ right here. I'm guessing 3¼ would be good. And 3¼ this way would be right about there. This little line is for, where's the damn mark now? Christ, I can't even see it. This line is where, I don't know if you can see what the hell I'm doing here. Move it up a little. This line I'm drawing, which I can't see where the hell the other one is either. Okay, I think it's right there. Right there. I drew a center line this way, and I'm getting the line this way, right here. So you see I got a center and center. That's where I'm going to drill the holes. So I'm going to take the fancy gadget, which is on this bench somewhere. Let me get this out of here, Christ. A whole bunch of shit in my way. This should probably go back on here for now. There is lots of shit. I swear to God, everything on this bench gets magnetized. Where's the other freaking one? Where did that center punch go? I know I put it back in here. I know I put the center punch in here somewhere. Or did I fall on the floor? I picked it up. There you go. See, even this damn center punch is magnetic. Let's push this over a little. Take my shitty hammer here, just like this. Find the middle, right about there. Hit the middle, right there. Okay, just, yeah, almost. So right there is where those little dots. That's where the holes are going, right there. I got to do the next one, but I'll spare you the grief on that one. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hello, folks. I'm going to move the camera sideways to show you something here. What I did is I punched the 2 holes in here using the Roper Whitney metal punch in here. Basically no drilling, just pop 2 holes in there. Sit on both of them. Easy peasy, no drilling. Comes with it, just basically. That's what it looks like on the backside. Little spidering, but hey, saves me a whole bucket of drill bits sometimes. Plus it's quiet and does the job. So I just thought I'd show you that, which is pretty cool.